Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're exploring how to use paper settings in Xdraw. Begin by opening your Xdraw editor for a design. Once the design is opened, it will appear like this. Then, navigate to the Format panel in the right corner of the editor and click on it. It will open your settings, where you can adjust your paper settings. Under the View option, you'll discover Grid Settings, which allow you to customize the grid displayed in the background of your design. You can modify the square size and color of the grid. If you uncheck the grid option, the grid design will be removed from the background. Next, there's the Page View setting. If you enable this option, the design will be displayed in a single page format. Then, there's the Background setting, which allows you to change the background color in the design. You can also add an image using the Image option. Then, we have the Shadow button, allowing you to add shadows to your design's product blocks. Next, you'll find the Paper Size settings, where you can select the paper size from the drop-down options. You also have the option to set your design to landscape or portrait mode. To access additional paper settings, navigate to the Xdraw settings in the editor and select Go to Xdraw settings from the drop-down. Once the global settings open up, navigate to Paper Size and Block settings from the Xdraw settings drop-down. Here, you can set the default paper size for all new designs. Remember to hit Save to keep your settings. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and information, visit x1080.com.